Butterflies symbolize beauty and innocence. But what if I tell you that behind those colorful wings lies a world of death, mind control, cannibalism, and parasites? Watch till the end, because these butterfly secrets are genuinely disturbing. Butterflies are technically liquid before rebirth. Inside the cocoon, the caterpillar doesn't transform, it dissolves. Its body turns into a soup of organs and tissues. Only a few cells survive to rebuild the butterfly. It's not a makeover, it's controlled destruction. Some caterpillars eat their own kind. When food is scarce, caterpillars don't hesitate. They eat weaker caterpillars, even siblings. Survival comes before innocence in nature. Butterflies drink blood and rotting flesh. Many butterflies feed on dead animals, feces, and open wounds. They crave salt and minerals. Nectar isn't enough. That beautiful butterfly on your hand might actually be drinking your sweat. Butterflies carry brain-controlling parasites. Some butterflies are infected by parasites that control their behavior. The parasite forces the butterfly to act strangely, helping the parasite survive and spread. A tiny mind hijacker, hidden behind wings. Butterflies fake death to survive. When attacked, some butterflies suddenly freeze and fall like dead leaves. Predators lose interest. Playing dead is sometimes the only way to stay alive. Bright colors are a warning of poison. Many butterflies are toxic. Birds that eat them vomit violently or die. Their beauty is actually a danger sign. Touch me and suffer. Butterflies remember pain from past lives. Studies show butterflies remember experiences from their caterpillar stage. That means pain, danger, and fear carry over after rebirth. Their past life never truly dies. Some butterflies are active in darkness. Not all butterflies are creatures of light. Certain species fly at dawn, dusk, or even night, blurring the line between butterflies and moths. Butterflies spread disease between animals. By feeding on blood, waste, and corpses, butterflies can carry bacteria and parasites from one animal to another, acting as silent carriers. A butterfly's beauty exists because of death. Every butterfly you see exists because a caterpillar was destroyed first. No death, no wings, no beauty. Nature doesn't create miracles gently. So next time a butterfly lands near you, remember, beauty doesn't mean harmless. Sometimes the prettiest things hide the darkest secrets. Like, share, and subscribe for more creepy nature mysteries.